this is Kyle, Rocket Man Plumbing again, and today we're talking about low water pressure. We get quite a few calls that people say, I just don't have any pressure coming out of my kitchen sink. And we usually try and tell them what they can do that might solve the problem without paying us a lot of money to go out and do it. What happens is on the end of your faucet, there's an aerator. So what you can do is you sometimes you need a little pair of pliers or something because they're tight, but then you unscrew this. Once you get it unscrewed, there can be some dirt and little tiny rocks and pebbles and debris in that part right there. All you got to do, take this off, run some water, wash it out, put the washer back in, screw it back in, and that fixes your water pressure about 75% of the time. And if you want to pay me a bunch of money to come out and do it for you, I certainly will. If not, you might want to try it yourself before you give us a call. Thank you.